Okay, I don't want to waste too much time getting into this, but this is a wireframe of an app that I'm going to make for the leadership seminar coming up. This is the first or home page of the app, and it highlights steps on becoming a successful wellness advocate. And I'm not going to go into too much detail of each step. I'm just going to highlight each page of the app here. So if you click up here in the nav bar, it'll bring up the home, which is where we are. You can click back if you'd like. History, occupation, and community, all of the wellness advocate. So we're going to go on to the next tab here. This is just the history, going from humble beginnings to where the company is now in relation to its wellness advocates. At the bottom here you can see that we can also go to the next page. Now, occupation, this is basically what it means to be a wellness advocate, and it highlights basically the steps that need to be taken to become a leader in the business. It talks about average salary, etc. Now for the community, this one's a little different. This is specific to you yourself as a wellness advocate. This is Susan Greystone. She's not a real wellness advocate, but this highlights the idea of the app and shows her team here and where they fit on in her downline. Each person is highlighted differently. It also shows her location and gives her an opportunity to find wellness advocates near her. Ideally, she would be able to choose how far away to search for wellness advocates in doTERRA's database. So, a couple things I want to highlight. If you click on this down arrow, you can basically see which of your downline, which people of your downline, let's see. If you click on this arrow, it'll order your downline alphabetically by rank and by goals met. So let's do alphabetically, and as you can see, it's actually already in alphabetical order. Then if you click on one of your downlines, it'll show their goals, see if they're met. Now ideally, if this were a real app, it would be more specific to the main wellness advocate's needs, what he or she would need to see in their downline's progress. But this is just kind of an idea of what it could be. So that is the app, and we can go back home if we want or not. We can go back home and do the whole thing all over again if we wanted. So I hope that makes sense and that you guys all use that in your business. Thank you for watching.